us walking into the bar and talking to the hostess. For a while after, just been surprised that it was still there. I think probably because, and so we just decided like we went to the cemetery a lot of dates got set very quickly, and none of them were right. Tim was like, was it a couple years ago on the message board? My name's TJ Vogt. I talked to your friends a few months ago. I was telling a story about the insane, hilarious message board prank. Drinking. He doesn't really see the guys that he hung out with in high school that much either. He's too busy trying to start his own painting company. I don't know, asking some questions, like the kind of questions you ask an old friend who just I think it was just so relieved that things are turned out right. That he seemed like such a good dude. I was stressed for you. Yeah, I got into a leadership with big impression. Cool, I'm really glad you're alive. Alright, have a good one. Thanks for listening.
All right, so far that was pretty easy. I just basically removed 3 screws from the back of the panel here. I think it was 1, 2, and this 3rd screw here. And I used a 1/4-inch socket to do it, and you can tell already that the top of this thing is pretty loose and it's ready to come off. I think we just need to disconnect some of this hose and some of these wires here. This thing should pop right off. Let's take these 1, 2, 3, 4 screws off this back panel here and see if we can get at some of these hoses and unplug them without cutting them. Alright, here we are with the back panel exposed, and you can see all the wiring, and really what's holding the top on at this point is this rubber straw, this rubber hose here with the green tube inside of it, and then we have all of our wiring going from the control panel down to the motor. And what we could do at this point is try to trace all these wires down and follow them and unplug everything from each harness, but it seems like kind of a little bit of a waste of time. I've gotten this far, so I'm going to try a little more of a destructive method and just clip them. So you can see at this point the inner plastic liners, it's got kind of a loose fit, so it's not really seating in there very well. It's sort of rocking around on the handles. And if you look more closely, you can see that the stainless bit inside here is what turns, and this kind of plastic covering is stationary. So when we drop the root can in, the handles sort of sit on top of it. So I think the next thing we should do is sort of get rid of this plastic cover so that we can expose the bin. So So I've got a few of these clips loose, and let's see if we can just pull ourselves off here. There you go. So we don't need that part anymore. Discard that.